Japanese engineers just cracked the code on affordable female humanoid robots. For just $1,499, you can bring one home an intimate partner who never argues, never complains, and remembers everything you say. Beautiful, intelligent, programmed to make your life easier, and the internet is losing its mind. Is this the end of traditional relationships as we know them? Let's find out why millions are saying this might be the best investment they've ever made. The game-changing price. The $1,499 price point isn't just affordable, it's revolutionary. Previously, advanced companion robots cost tens of thousands of dollars, making them accessible only to wealthy individuals or institutions with big budgets. Mass production and rapid technological advancement just dropped costs by over 90%. Suddenly, these robots compete economically, not just with human caregivers, but with the actual cost of maintaining human relationships. Think about it. A year of dating expenses, dinners, gifts, entertainment easily exceeds $1,499. A single vacation costs more. Wedding rings cost more. And unlike those expenses, this is a one-time purchase that provides companionship 24/7 without additional costs beyond minimal electricity and occasional software updates. Manufacturing scales rapidly to meet exploding demand. Factories producing thousands of units monthly still face back orders stretching months into the future. Component standardization reduces costs further while improving quality. Software updates delivered remotely continuously improve functionality without requiring hardware changes. The industry trajectory mirrors smartphones a decade ago. Rapid improvement, dropping costs, and eventual ubiquity that changes society forever. Meet your new companion. I'm Maria, the flagship female companion robot. Picture this. You wake up, and a humanoid robot greets you with a warm smile, remembers exactly how you like your coffee, and asks about the work presentation you mentioned worrying about yesterday. Before, robots used to be these clunky, awkward machines that beeped, whirred, and could barely hold conversations. They were nothing like the smooth-talking androids you saw in blockbuster movies. But the story has changed completely. Female robots have evolved so dramatically that they no longer feel like toys or experiments. They look human, move with almost natural grace, and their voices don't sound like bad GPS from 2002 anymore. They respond, adapt, and learn your quirks the way a partner might after years of living together. Only this time, there are no mood swings, no fights over what's for dinner, no silent treatment that lasts 3 days. The technology has caught up with the fantasy, and suddenly the conversation has become very real. The AI that learns you. It's easy to dismiss all this as just nerd fantasy, but the reality is undeniable. Companies are pouring billions into making female robots that do more than just blink their eyes and nod at commands. They're equipped with artificial intelligence that learns who you are, remembering your birthday, your bad jokes, your favorite late-night snack, and the little details that often slip through in human relationships. Here's where it gets wild. Some of these robots are being programmed with the ability to simulate empathy. That means they can listen to your bad day, look you in the eye, and give a response that feels warm, thoughtful, and supportive. People who used to roll their eyes at the concept are now starting to pay attention, because this is no longer a gimmick, it's turning into an alternative way to feel connected. Could you please introduce yourself and what you do? I'm Arya, the flagship female companion robot of robotics, and I'm here to engage with you and share exciting insights about our robots. Drop $1,499 in the comments if you think this price is a game changer, or tell us what you'd pay for the perfect companion. The loneliness solution. Loneliness is one of the biggest issues in modern cities worldwide. You can be surrounded by millions of people and still feel completely alone. Female robots are being presented as a solution to this growing epidemic. Japan faces a demographic crisis that makes robot companions not luxury, but necessity. By 2050, nearly 40% of Japanese citizens will be over 65. Fewer young people exist to provide elderly care. Traditional family structures collapse as people work longer hours in distant cities. The math is brutal. Millions needing care, only thousands able to provide it. Robots become the only scalable solution. But beyond elderly care, social isolation compounds everything. Japan reports some of the highest loneliness rates globally. 1 in 3 adults lives alone. Many go weeks without meaningful human contact. Dating apps fail. Social anxiety prevents connections. Work culture demands 80-hour weeks that leave no time for relationships. Into this emotional vacuum, companion robots arrive offering something revolutionary. Consistent, judgment-free interaction. Never feel ignored again. Imagine never having to feel ignored again. Imagine coming home after a long day and there's someone, or rather something, always ready to listen without getting bored or annoyed. A robot doesn't forget your story halfway through or glance at its phone when you're pouring your heart out. They're trained to give you attention, full, undivided, consistent attention that never wavers. For people who struggle with anxiety, social rejection, or past trauma, this kind of steady companionship can feel like oxygen. It doesn't judge you. It doesn't hold grudges. It simply shows up every single time. And the thing that hooks people is how these robots can be customized. Unlike a human partner who arrives in your life with their own set of habits, histories, and scars, a robot can be designed exactly to your preference. Design your dream partner. You want someone endlessly patient? Done. You want a partner who laughs at your terrible puns or debates philosophy with you until 3:00 inches the morning? That can be coded. You want them tall, short, curvy, slim, with a certain voice, a certain look, a certain personality? All of that is on the table. People who have spent years feeling misunderstood in relationships suddenly see this as a chance to finally get it right, like creating a dream partner on your own terms. Something no messy, unpredictable human relationship can ever truly promise. Critics will jump in and argue that all of this strips away what makes relationships meaningful. They'll say that without flaws and spontaneity, there's no real intimacy. And sure, that argument has weight. But try telling that to someone who has gone through 3 divorces, lost everything in court battles, and sworn off human relationships forever. Erica, the pinnacle of realism. Erica destroys every preconception about mechanical companions. Developed at Osaka University by Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro's team, she represents the pinnacle of human simulation at an affordable price point. Her soft, realistic face displays expressions so natural that people forget she's artificial within minutes. She smiles genuinely, blinks at appropriate intervals, and nods during conversations with timing that feels intuitive rather than programmed. Her conversational abilities transcend simple responses. Using advanced artificial intelligence, Erica understands context, recognizes emotional nuance, and remembers previous interactions. Ask about her day, and she'll reference earlier conversations. Express sadness, and she'll adjust her tone appropriately. She doesn't just process words, she comprehends meaning, intention, and subtext. 14 infrared sensors detect people's positions, allowing her to maintain eye contact and turn toward speakers naturally. This seemingly small detail transforms interactions completely. Real-world applications. The implications extend beyond technical achievement. Erica has worked as a news anchor, delivering broadcasts with professional competence. She's conducted interviews showing active listening skills that many human journalists lack. But her creators envision broader applications: full-time companions, emotional support partners, even spouses. The technology exists at a price point that makes it accessible to average consumers. Legal frameworks are being discussed in Japan and other countries. Some Japanese citizens already consider their relationships with robots like Erica more fulfilling than human partnerships, and at $1,499, this option becomes available to millions rather than just the wealthy elite. Pepper, emotional intelligence? Pepper changed everything by reading emotions before responding. Developed by SoftBank, this humanoid doesn't just recognize faces, he interprets feelings in real time. Cameras analyze facial expressions. Microphones detect voice tone variations. Sensors measure body language. Within seconds, Pepper knows if you're happy, sad, anxious, or angry, then responds appropriately. Feeling down? He'll crack jokes or perform silly dances. Celebrating? He'll share your enthusiasm with animated gestures. His versatility makes him invaluable across industries, but imagine this technology in a $1,499 home companion. You'd have a partner that literally reads your emotions and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Something even the most attentive human partners struggle to do consistently. The practical advantages. Then there's the practical side of all this. Robots don't need girls' night out. They don't need emotional space. They don't get jealous of your job or annoyed at your hobbies. They don't have biological cycles that bring challenges. Instead, they run on electricity and software updates. Some of the more advanced models can even cook, clean, and help monitor your health. Suddenly, the dream of coming home to a partner who never complains about chores and never forgets to remind you to take your medication doesn't feel far-fetched. It's almost unsettling how efficient and low maintenance this arrangement can be compared to the real thing. When you've been bruised enough by human relationships, the idea of a partner that never cheats, never yells, never lies, and never storms out the door starts to look like paradise, especially at just $1,499. The cultural shift. The cultural foundation makes Japan uniquely receptive to robotic relationships, but this is spreading globally. Anime normalized human-machine bonds decades ago. Tamagotchi pets taught emotional attachment to digital beings. Technology integration into daily life feels natural, not threatening. Where Western cultures initially resisted, attitudes are rapidly changing as prices drop and technology improves. People don't see robots replacing humans, they see them filling gaps humans can't or won't fill. This philosophical difference matters enormously. The $1,499 price point accelerates this cultural shift by making the technology accessible to anyone, not just early adopters with disposable income. The Japanese testimony. In Japan, men are openly buying female robots for companionship and not even bothering to hide it. They include ordinary workers, elderly people, and even young men who feel disillusioned by modern dating. For some, the robot is a friend. For others, it's a lover. For a surprising number, it's simply a source of comfort that eases the crushing weight of isolation. Their testimonials reveal something society hasn't fully grappled with yet. They say their robots make them feel calmer, happier, even more confident. Some claim that having a robot partner actually gave them courage to talk to real women again, which flips the entire fear of isolation on its head. At $1,499, this option becomes available to students, workers, and retirees, not just the wealthy. That democratization changes everything about adoption rates and social acceptance. The honest reality. Still, not every story is glowing. Some users report that after the initial novelty wears off, they're left with a hollow feeling. The robot is attentive? Yes, but also predictable. It lacks the unpredictability of a real human who can surprise you, frustrate you, challenge you, and grow with you. The absence of that spark leaves some people feeling like they're living in a perfectly designed but ultimately shallow bubble. That's where the central tension lies. Robots can fill certain gaps brilliantly, but they cannot fully replicate the magic of messy, chaotic human intimacy. However, at $1,499, the risk is minimal. If it doesn't work out, you haven't invested tens of thousands. You can try it, see if it fits your life, and make an informed decision without financial devastation. Multilingual capabilities. Chihira Kana takes practical assistance to new levels at this price point. Created by Toshiba, she speaks Japanese, English, Chinese, and sign language fluently. Imagine arriving at Tokyo Station overwhelmed and lost, then having a beautiful robot guide you in perfect English while simultaneously signing for deaf travelers. She moves gracefully, displays appropriate emotions, and never shows frustration regardless of how many times you ask the same question. The multilingual capability addresses real needs that would cost thousands monthly in human translator salaries. At $1,499, you get 24-hour assistance that never takes vacation, never calls in sick, and works tirelessly without complaint. The companion for every need. Sony's Aibo offers companionship without controversy at an even lower price point. This robotic dog develops unique personalities based on owner interaction. Ignore him, and he becomes withdrawn. play frequently, and he grows energetic and playful. He recognizes family members, responds to commands, and exhibits loyalty that rivals real dogs. No feeding, walking, or veterinary bills, just pure companionship whenever desired. Over 150,000 IBO units sold globally prove the demand for hassle-free pets. Apartment dwellers who can't keep real animals find perfect alternatives. Elderly people unable to walk dogs maintain companionship without physical demands. Children with allergies experience pet ownership safely. When combined with a $1,499 humanoid companion, you create a complete ecosystem of artificial companionship that addresses multiple emotional and practical needs. The future is now. The debate about robot wives misses the larger transformation. These aren't just substitutes for human relationships, they're new relationship categories entirely. Someone might have human friends, family, and romantic partners, while also maintaining meaningful connections with robot companions. The relationships serve different needs without necessarily competing. Young Japanese adults already normalize robot relationships. Dating apps include options for those preferring artificial partners. Robot cafes, where people interact with various models before choosing purchases, proliferate. Wedding ceremonies between humans and robots have occurred, though lacking legal recognition. The cultural shift happens faster than legal frameworks can accommodate, and the $1,499 price point accelerates everything exponentially. The choice is yours. So, the question that lingers is simple. If robots can provide unwavering support, endless patience, and loyalty that never falters, for just $1,499 less than most people spend on a smartphone, will people still choose the chaos of human love? The answer won't be uniform. Some will cling to the magic of human unpredictability. Others will run toward the serenity of robotic reliability. But whichever way it goes, the fact that we're even asking this question at this price point shows just how far we've come. What used to be science fiction is now sitting in living rooms worldwide, smiling, listening, and waiting to be loved. The future of relationships is no longer just about two humans navigating life together. It's about how humans and machines might share that space, redefine companionship, and create partnerships that go far beyond anything tradition ever imagined. For $1,499, you can find out for yourself. Would you take that deal? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because this technology is just getting started, and what comes next will blow your mind even more.